Okay guys, today I'll be installing some fire alarms today. I'll be installing the System Sensor speaker strobe, and I have a System Sensor horn strobe that we're going to be installing. So we'll be doing Spectralert advances today. We'll be installing a Spectralert advance alarms today. We're going to go ahead and continue with the video. Let's get started. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove the speaker strobe first, which I'm going to remove. Alright, just give me 1 second, I'm just going to come back later. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and remove the alarms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take off the speaker strobe first. Make sure the cover has to be took off first. And then I'm going ahead and unscrew the screw with a different screwdriver, as you can see right here. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and remove this. Like remove it to its own side. Okay, remove this. Okay, remove the screw. Alright, and then I'll go ahead and remove the terminals. I must put a horn strobe or maybe a speaker strobe on there too. Okay, so I'll pick up the screw. So no more ceiling mount speaker strobe. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the cover back on. And now I'm going to go ahead and install the the speaker strobe. Because once again, you have to switch the candela selector before you install the alarm. So what I'm going to do is I'll take off the cover. Here it is. We'll switch it to 95 candela. So like this is a candela selector that we're going to do to change. Again, wiring. So the positive goes first. That's great, I just can't wire that up. Alright, now this bracket is all in. We're going to go ahead and put a screw onto the hole. We're going to see how it works, but we're going to use this to install the unit. Okay, find where it is. Things. Okay, let's see. Maybe we should put a hole on this one. We should put this one on the other side. Up. It just dropped. It's weird how it's. I'm gonna go ahead and install this onto the thing. See how it works in halves. Okay. Alright, let's do this. Oh, that thing is too big. This one. Okay. And then we're tying the screw all the way, and boom. Alright, and then I'm gonna go ahead and snap the cover in, the alarm part in. So what I'm gonna do is I will gently push this in, and boom, you can. And then I'm gonna go ahead and screw this in. Like, you have to make sure that the alarm needs to be screwed in all the way. So that is the speaker strobe here. And now I'm going to go ahead and install the horn strobe. The horn strobe we'll be installing is the System Sensor P2R. We're going to go ahead and remove the part of it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and remove the multi-city horn strobe theme that I installed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take it off. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove the alarm. Find where it is. It should be here. And also those two holes tells you that you have to take off the alarm thing. And then I'm going to go ahead and install the System Sensor P2R horn strobe. Let's remove the screw. 2 screws. I don't believe I just said one. We're going to go ahead and remove 2 screws. So 1 screw here. Alright. Now let's go ahead and install the alarm. The System Sensor P2R horn strobe. Okay, we're going to go ahead and install the unit. Make sure I have to put this screw tightly. You need to be really careful because like the screw isn't even more loose. Okay. Stronger, make it stronger. There we go. That didn't work. Okay, we don't need to do that one. Let's try a different one. I just take off the screw that I had on top. No, that's not what I already said, so just keep it like that. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and install this. Let's see. Okay, great. Install this, the alarm. Tighten the screw, make sure it's tight. And then I should do a 4-wire horn. So I recommend I could put this here into the positive. And I'll not be testing this because like I don't want to wake up the neighbors and it's like 8 in the morning, so I just don't want to do that. Let's see. And then the alarm should be here. Alright. Now we're going to put on the thing on. Let's see, 6 is on continuous low. So let's do temporal 3 on low. Number 3. Okay, so, and then, or maybe I can do it on medium. That'd be great. Medium. Temporal 3 is low. Oh. Sorry about that, guys. This crazy shit's happening. So, now back to how I was saying the first time. I'll be going ahead and install the system sensor P2R horn strobe, and I already put the horn strobe on temporal 3 low, which means that can be like a code 3 or something like that. So, temporal 3 means it will be on code 3. So, what I'm going to do is I'll put the alarm in. Boom. Like that. Oh. Be sure it's tight all the way. And then I'll make sure to put in the bracket on. And then I'm going to go ahead and screw it in. Make sure it's tight. Is it tight? Nope, it's not tight. Alright. Just put a little bit more in it. So I'm gonna tighten the screw all the way. It might take a few minutes to screw this in, the alarm. Alright. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment and subscribe.